Hey guys, today let's see some beautiful books. That is 101 Stories by Dreamland Publication. There are totally 8 books in this series, and all of them are paperback, beautifully illustrated books for children to read. Let's check the first book. That is 101 Fairy Tales book. Beautifully illustrated. It contains 101 fairy tales, small, short, and sweet stories. Many may find the stories are very short, but it's easy for parent to read a child during night, and it's a perfect version to read a story each day. See, beautifully illustrated every page, each story child can enjoy and parents can read to the child. It's a very short version of each stories, but children are not able to comprehend too much, right? So this is best to read every day. Small, small, perfect for a day. So this is 101 fairy tales. Now the next book is 101 Aesop's Fables. Aesop fables are the best with morals included. Each story below there is a moral written here. So beautiful. Simple and short version of all stories and with morals of Aesop tales. Aesop's tales are majority animal tales only. And the third book in the series is 101 Bedtime Stories. And the fourth book is the 101 Grandma Stories. Beautiful stories here. These are the stories from ancient time where usually passed on from family to family. Usually adults or grandmas tell these stories to their grandchildren. Beautiful stories. And the fifth book in this series is 101 Animal Stories. These are all animal stories similar to Aesop's fables. Many are from all around the world stories. The next book in the series is the 101 Rhymes book. All major rhymes you know are there here, but some which you have not heard also is there. Multiplication. Good book for rhymes. Pussycat is there. Ringa Ringa Roses, Chubby Cheeks, Jack and Jill, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Little Miss Muffet. All beautiful good combination of rhymes for young children. You can read it. The next book in this series is the 101 Panchatantra Stories. This is among the most popular book in the series. It's a record sales compared to all the books in this series. And just like Ace of Fables, here there's a moral written after each story. The story is well written, short and sweet. That's why this book deserves the best-selling record. That's why it's a little costly, I think, compared to other books. Oh, let's check cost price later. The last book in the series is the 101 Bible Stories. If you are interested, you can buy this. It's also beautiful. I am a type I buy everything, whether it's Bible, Quran, or Bhagavad Gita. All religions I buy, whether Buddha, Jainism, everything. So you can make your child understand a little about Jesus and the stories in it with this book. Beautifully written, beautifully illustrated. This is 101 Bible stories. All books cost around 170 rupees. I think it's visible. And here is back all showing all 8 books. All books cost around 170 rupees, but some books cost 200 rupees. It shows how popular these books are. That is especially Panchatantra book is the first famous. And the other books which are very good are, if you ask me, animal stories are also good. That's why this is also 200 rupees. And even grandma stories also is very good. This also costs 200 rupees. And the rest all books cost around 170. Yes. So these are amazing illustrated books for children to read and even for parents to read to their children. So this is it, guys. See you next time.